Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This video is about the weekly analysis that we do every week. So the forex pairs that I have shortlisted for you using the three-step price action strategy are that are listed here on the right side. So you know the drill. We first identify the trend, whether it is an uptrend or a downtrend. We are only going to trade that are trending. Okay, so if it is an uptrend, we are only look for buying opportunities, and we're going to look for buying opportunities when the price hits our zone of interest, and then we do the quality assessment to ensure that we are taking the trades that have the probability of giving us a nice 1:2 risk to reward ratio. So those are the only criteria that we are going to use in this particular price action strategy. Going forward, I'm going to post you some of the advanced price action strategy techniques that involves better entry techniques and exit strategies as well. But for now, we're going to stick to very simple three-step price action strategy, trading with the trend and only when the price comes to our zone of interest and gives us a nice 1:2 risk to reward ratio probability. Okay, the first stock that I have shortlisted is the euro dollar. So this, as you can see, this is clearly in an uptrend, right? And next one is we're only looking for only buying opportunities in this particular pair, and the zone of interest that we are interested in is this one here. So if price comes to this level and then gives us a nice buying opportunity, we are going to buy. Okay, that's the only thing that we are going to do, look for buying opportunities as it is in an uptrend, and when price reaches our zone of interest and gives us a nice buying reason, then we're going to take the buy entry. We're not going to sell. Next one is Aussie Canadian dollar. Again, this is an uptrend and I've already marked the zone of interest for you. So if price drops to this level here, then we look for buying opportunities. Okay, so the next pair is this we have even marked last week as well, so it's still continuing. So this is in a downtrend and the zone of interest I have marked already here. So if price comes back to that zone and gives us a nice sell opportunity, then we are going to look for selling opportunity and expect the trend to continue. Next one is US dollar CHF. This one again is in a downtrend and the zone of interest would be this one here. So if price comes back to that level and gives us a nice entry reason, we will be selling, expecting the downtrend to continue. Okay, so the next one is CADJPY. This has been in our list for past couple of weeks, I guess. As you can see, there have been multiple rejections from this level here, so I would be interested in buying this and expect the price to break that barrier this time, somewhere here maybe. Okay, so if you get a nice buying opportunity, I'd be looking to buy and expect the price to break this barrier this time. And as I said earlier, once it breaks this particular resistance zone, it's going to go very quickly to the next level, as I don't see much resistance in this particular area here. Okay, so that's the strategy for this particular pair, and keep an eye on this one. You might get a very nice buying opportunity. The next one is USDJPY. And also I forgot to tell you one thing. So many people would think, what would you do if it just goes down and you won't get a nice buy setup here? What I mean is, if the price goes down like this, I'm just not interested in this particular pair. I'll be trading if the chart prints the pattern that I am anticipating, and I'll be betting on that particular pattern according to my strategy. Okay, so moving on, the next one is USDJPY. It is in a downtrend and the zone of interest would be this one here. So if price comes up here, and we are already seeing some sort of rejection around that zone, so if price tries to come up here again and then gives us a nice sell reason, then we're going to sell this for trend continuation to the downside. The next stock is GBP, Australian dollar. You know, we have been watching this since last week as well, so we are waiting for this, and now because it is in downtrend, we're looking for sell opportunities. If it comes up here and then gives us a nice sell reason or selling opportunity, we are going to sell this. Next one is GBP USD. It is in an uptrend. The zone of interest for us to buy this particular pair would be somewhere here, so the price is around that zone actually. So if you get a nice entry reason here, a buy reason, then we are going to buy this and look for 1:2 risk to reward ratio. Okay, I hope you like this analysis, guys. I'm going to give you some more videos in future about the advanced price action trading. This is a very simple but effective 3-step price action strategy that I'm providing the videos every week. So I hope you like this video. Please share it with your friends, subscribe and like this channel and the video as well. I hope you like this video. Thank you very much.